Good morning everyone, welcome back to another day of online learning. It is now Thursday. We just look at the Zoom meeting timetable here. So there's no Zoom meeting today, but there is one tomorrow, and it's for sharing your favorite activity for the week. So as you're doing your work today, just keep in mind something that you want to share on Friday. If you want to come along to that meeting, you will need to be sharing something. And let's look at the timetable. So you can start with writing. On the grammar and punctuation slide again, which remember that is in your writing folder. Yesterday you should have done the activities on the comma, so today you're doing the activities on speech marks. There's a slide here that shows an example of how to use speech marks. One thing to note is that the question marks and exclamation marks are contained within the speech marks. And if you go to the next slide, there's another example here where Sherlock has said something and they've put it into speech marks. So you just need to put what Tim and Fiona have been saying into speech marks. Try to use a word that isn't said, because said is a little bit boring. Try to come up with some other words. You can put them on that slide there. And then once you've done that, you need to find 3 examples of speech marks being used in the book you are reading. If the current book you're reading doesn't have any, just try to find something on Epic. And then you copy them onto this next slide here. Once you've done that, then you write down 3 of your own examples, where you've used comma, speech marks, exclamation marks, or question marks. And then once you've done that, have a look at the timetable again. You're on reading. You're just continuing with what you did yesterday, so you should be doing an activity on the reading task board. A lot of you have already done task 2 and 3 in that one day again. So if you're one of those people, just do another activity on the task board, and then once you've done that, you could just read a book on Epic. And there's our class code down there. Back to the timetable, then you can do maths. Maths is the same as yesterday. You need to be completing 3 activities on Matific. And as I said yesterday, there's a lot of geometry activities on there that I have assigned to you. And then after that you can do some fitness, and fitness is the same as the last few days. There's that slide again, or you can just do whatever you want as long as you're moving. Have another good day. Remember to email me if you have any questions. See ya.